Syria is famous for its beautiful old cities like Palmyra, its busy markets in Aleppo and its historical capital Damascus. Now Syria is starting a new chapter, one of rebuilding in a big job, but the rebuilding Syria creates lots of opportunities for builders and engineers from around the world. All across Syria people need help with construction, engineering, building roads and bridges and managing projects. From fixing homes and schools to rebuilding hospitals and power lines. There's so much to do. Companies from other countries with their advanced technology and skilled workers can, by working on these projects, companies can help rebuild important services, create jobs and help the economy get stronger. Helping Syria isn't just a nice thing to do, it's an investment in peace and safety for everyone. Rebuilding Syria is about more than just construct. This makes sure that the projects meet the needs of the Syrian people. Training programs are teaching Syrians new skills in construction, engineering, and managing projects. These programs give them the knowledge and skills to rebuild their own communities. By investing in the Syrian people, we help them to help themselves, create jobs and build a better future. Organization or just someone who wants to help join the Rose Initiative. Your skills, resources, and kindness can make a real difference. Every little bit helps. Contact the Rose Initiative to find out how you can get involved. Let's all work together to rebuild this historic country. Imagine a Syria where the sounds of construction replace the sounds of war. A Syria where ancient cities are beautiful again. And children can play safely is a future.